It is showtime!
Bring Inspector Iwannano to your school this year for an unforgettable character building experience.
The Inspector Iwannano Character Show. Now there is going to be some silly stuff, I guarantee you. We have to be a good audience because there's going to be a lot of stuff happening very fast. I don't want you to miss anything at all.
Inspector Iwannano delivers a strong message that starts students off on the right foot, highlighting the importance of self-respect and respect for others.
We don't go around breaking somebody else's stuff on purpose, do we? No, that's not good character.
All within a laugh-packed, magic-filled program.
We are going to try and solve a mystery.
The students become detectives.
It is the mystery of the missing mother.
And with the help of Inspector Iwannano, they uncover clues using a wide array of extraordinary props and gadgets, each one a special magic trick in disguise.
Sherlock Holmes was known for wearing a hat like this. You want to try that? There we go. It looks empty. But you know what? Things aren't always as they seem. Sometimes now, the bag looks empty. The bag looks empty, but looks like there might be some sneaky stuff going on here. Do you think that leads us to the clue box? Yes, it does. One more time. Hey, nothing in the box. And, oh, look at this, another. Caring really means being a true friend, and that's if we don't even know the other person.
Don't miss this opportunity to encourage positive character habits with this outrageous and exciting show that is truly both educational and entertaining.
Sound good to you, Mr. Knowsmore? Yep, okay.